Selling cryptocurrency at a Bitcoin ATM is simple. On the Bitomat screen, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, then tap Show QR Code. The machine will print a receipt. Open your crypto wallet on your phone, choose the same cryptocurrency, tap Scan, and scan the QR code on the receipt. Enter the amount you want to sell and confirm the transfer in your wallet. Now, just wait for the transaction to be processed on the network. It may take a moment. You might see pending or processing. Before ATM dispenses your cash, ID scan may be required. It depends of local law. Once the transaction is confirmed, return to the Bitcoin ATM and scan the barcode from the receipt using the scanner on the machine. The Bitcoin ATM will dispense your cash. In a few seconds, it will appear in the dispenser. Just take it. If a small remaining balance appears, you can send it back to your wallet. You can also collect small leftovers from multiple transactions and merge them later with help from our support operator. And that's it.